The Restoration period began in option A 1603, option B 1649, option C 1660, option D 1688. Answer option C 1660. Restoration drama is primarily associated with which genre? Option A comedy of humors, option B romantic tragedy, option C comedy of manners, option D historical drama. Answer option C comedy of manners. A major characteristic of Restoration drama is its option A morality and religious focus, option B realistic depiction of rural life, option C satire and social criticism, option D emphasis on supernatural elements. Answer option C satire and social criticism. Which of the following is not a feature of Restoration comedy? Option A witty dialogues, option B complex love intrigues, option C strong moral values, option D focus on the manners of the elite. Answer option C strong moral values. Restoration tragedy is influenced by option A Greek classical tragedies, option B French neoclassical drama, option C Elizabethan revenge tragedies, option D Gothic novels. Answer option B French neoclassical drama. The themes of Restoration plays often reflect option A political propaganda, option B moral purity and religious devotion, option C libertinism and sexual intrigue, option D rural simplicity. Answer option C libertinism and sexual intrigue. The Restoration stage was known for option A minimalist sets and props, option B elaborate scenery and the introduction of the proscenium arch, option C absence of women actors, option D outdoor performances. Answer option B elaborate scenery and the introduction of the proscenium arch. Which innovation became a hallmark of Restoration theatre? Option A use of soliloquies, option B women actors performing on stage, option C restriction to religious themes, option D chorus based performances. Answer option B women actors performing on stage. Restoration drama often targeted which class for its audience? Option A rural farmers, option B Puritans, option C the urban elite and aristocracy, option D the working class. Answer option C the urban elite and aristocracy. MCQs on key playwrights of Restoration drama. Who is known as the father of Restoration comedy? Option A John Dryden, option B William Congreve, option C George Etherege, option D Afra Ben. Answer option C George Etherege. Which of the following is a famous play by William Congreve? Option A The Way of the World, option B The Country Wife, option C The Rover, option D All for Love. Answer option A The Way of the World. Afra Ben is considered significant because option A she was the first woman to act on stage, option B she was one of the first professional women playwrights, option C she introduced blank verse to drama, option D she was a major tragedian of her time. Answer option B she was one of the first professional women playwrights. Which Restoration playwright wrote The Country Wife, known for its sexual innuendo? Option A William Congreve, option B George Etherege, option C John Dryden, option D William Wycherley. Answer option D William Wycherley. John Dryden's All for Love is a option A comedy of manners, option B heroic tragedy, option C satirical farce, option D romantic comedy. Answer option B, heroic tragedy. Who wrote The Man of Mode, a quintessential comedy of manners? Option A, William Wycherley. Option B, George Etherege. Option C, John Dryden. Option D, William Congreve. Answer option B, George Etherege. Which restoration playwright is known for The Rover? Option A, Afra Ben. Option B, John Dryden. Option C, William Wycherley. Option D, William Congreve. Answer option A, Afra Ben. Which of the following is not a restoration playwright? Option A, William Congreve. Option B, John Webster. Option C, Afra Ben. Option D, George Etherege. Answer option B, John Webster. MCQs on major words of restoration drama. The play The Way of the World is primarily about option A, political revolution. Option B, romantic heroism. Option C, complex courtship and marriage contracts. Option D, revenge and betrayal. Answer option C, complex courtship and marriage contracts. The play The Country Wife is best known for its option A, political commentary. Option B, scandalous portrayal of sexual relationships. Option C, idealized depiction of rural life. Option D, philosophical themes. Answer option B, scandalous portrayal of sexual relationships. John Dryden's All for Love is a reworking of which Shakespearean play? Option A, Hamlet. Option B, Macbeth. Option C, Antony and Cleopatra. Option D, Othello. Answer option C, Antony and Cleopatra.